Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to see how to backup and sync your all all of your extensions and settings. So all the things which you have done worked on your local computer to any other like uh, machine. So you need to transfer the same settings, the same theme, the the same shortcuts you have assigned to your VS Code workspace to the other machine. So if you are switching from like Windows to Linux or any other Windows to Mac, if you are buying a new laptop, so you need to transfer the same extensions and settings to the another laptop of VS Code. So this video is for that, and let's move to the video. So first of all, you need to create a GitHub account. So before that, you need to click on here manage and go to like backup and settings and click on sign in. So all the settings, keyboard shortcuts, snippets, all the like everything, it is uh, copied and cloned to your Microsoft GitHub account in the cloud, and you will access it from the cloud itself. So if I click on sign in button, and you can use two accounts, one is for GitHub and another one is for Microsoft. So I choose GitHub. So before that, you need to create an GitHub account. uh, like you can go to github.com, and you can create a GitHub account by going like GitHub sign up page and click on this page. So you can see like here, and go and create a new account like in this video said. So GitHub sign up this page. I have already signed up. If I again try to sign out, and like if I refresh again, and you can see I have signed out. So if I click this, and this is the sign in page. So you can create a GitHub account by clicking on signing up, and you can continue with your mail or Google account. So I have my GitHub account, so I am going to click on continue, and like it's occurring error. So I need to, before that, I need to sign in. So I am going to sign in using like another account. So after signing, I will come. So guys, you can see I have signed in this account. So if I go to profile section, so this is the GitHub account I have made for the tutorials. So I have another main account which is like another account. So anyway, if I cancel this, and again I do like go to the settings. So if I cancel this and go to settings and click on sign in, go to with GitHub, and this is my GitHub ID, and click on continue. So I need to authorize. So you need to click on this, so it will authorize, and all the settings are going to sync. Here you can see it is synced, and you can log in with your GitHub account in another like machine, and use the same settings. So uh, it is useful for productivity, and it saves a lot of times. So in the next step, I will show I will log into my Ubuntu OS and signing that account to access this settings and continue the tutorials. So let's move to the Ubuntu. Now we are back to Ubuntu operating system, and here we are going to click on VS Code. So we have left where at we have shown that uh, the video in our previous video. We have installed the VS Code officially. So I click on this check mark icon, so to not to show this page always on startup. So if I cross and so it is showing newly. If I cancel this and you can see, and I am going to click on here and like sync the settings using with the GitHub account. So I have already logged in the um, GitHub account which was created for this purpose. So if I click backup and click on sign in and with GitHub, so it is opening it in our browser. So it is asking like this only. So this account only I have signed in. So I need to back up all the extensions and themes and all the settings, so which I have done in my Windows machine. So if I click on continue, and here you are going to see this redirecting, and click on open. It is opening, and it's showing conflicts, so it is nothing. So it is now the negative open. So VS Code it is opened and is synced. So if I click on backup and sync settings and sign in, so it is redirecting. So I need to click on accept remote settings. So if I click and it is syncing. So this is the method of syncing I show here below. It is syncing and installing this extension and setting up the theme. So you can see guys, the same themes which I have downloaded here, it is coming, and all the settings, all of the setup has been finished. So you can see here guys, and that's it. That's what the purpose of this video was. So you need to like create a GitHub account and click on settings sync on. So it is syncing over the cloud all the useful extensions, and your settings are all like that basic productivity snippets, code snippets are stored. So that's all about this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will continue this like JavaScript series now hereafter in Ubuntu only. So let's see in your next video. So thank you for watching this video.